video tutorial, we're gonna tackle the various components of a computer. To give you a hint, the components are the crucial parts of the computer for it to work. The Central Processing Unit, better known as the CPU, acts as the brain of the computer, providing the processing power and giving instructions to the computer to do its work. It heats up every time, so it needed something to dissipate the heat, whether by air cooler or a liquid cooler. Don't be confused in this part compared to the previous. The GPU or the Graphics Processing Unit handles the operations regarding the computer's graphics, as it helps to visualize the display of the software to the computer monitor. Also, it heats up pretty quickly over time. That's why it requires a cooling system too. Moving on to the next part. The Random Access Memory or the RAM is a volatile memory device. All the tasks running are stored there, as it's used by the computer's processor, other programs, and even the operating system. Once you turn off the computer, all data stored will be cleared. That's why we needed the motherboard. The functionality of the motherboard acts as the backbone of the computer. It allows the communication of the devices, and also it distributes power from the power supply. This part can be sold separately, but mostly it is integrated within the motherboard. The network interface card allows the possibility of computers to build a network. Unlike the RAM being volatile, this device is a non-volatile memory. The storage drive stores all the data that the user required. Even the operating system is also stored there. So even when you turn off your computer, it is still saved on your device. These previous devices won't work unless there is power. That's why it requires a power supply unit. It regulates and supplies the power to every component from the power outlet of your home. The computer chassis houses all of these. Of course, it needs ventilation systems because such devices emit heat. Along with the chassis, it has an architecture on how your cooling system will be placed, be it either by air cooling or liquid cooling, so it varies. Now that we familiarize ourselves with every component, we could use the knowledge in real life. When you go to a computer store, you can communicate well with the staff to tell what you'll need. Or if some parts start to malfunction, you could address it easily with a technician. That is all for this video. Stay safe and see you around next time.
I got this passion.